How to add items to an existing Shipt order. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are showing you exactly how to do it, so you can follow out the step-by-step tutorial for that. So we can start by opening up the Shipt application or go to shipt.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And from here we can go to the order section. For that, look out for the orders option directly here. Click on it. In the top right, you can find an order space. You can just go over and check it out. This order page opens up. You can open up the order that you've already placed. You will be seeing an add items or edit order button. You can just go over and look out for that option. You may head over and look out for that option and basically, start adding up new products like normal shopping. You can head over and go to Shipt and look out for the specific product that you would like to add, like normal shopping. You can just go over and find those. Just head over and find the specific products, and once you find it up, you can just look out for the option called plus and add those products to your cart and proceed with the checkout process. Look out for the cart option again in the top right corner and open it up, and now you can check out with the updated items. Your updated items are now part of the same order. You do not need to place a new one. This usually means that your shopper has already started shopping. The order is too close to the delivery window. But if you do not see add items option, that usually means that your shopper already has started shopping. The order is too close to the delivery window. The store does not allow edits at that stage. In that case, you can just go over and place up a new order instead and message your shopper if shopping has started and politely ask if they can add an item which is not guaranteed. And that's it. Usually you can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.